What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of the POCO Watch. So we will have a look on the device inside, its design, build quality, features and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here at the top you can see we got the picture of the device, POCO Watch, POCO branding. It comes in the usual POCO yellow color retail box. On the back side we got some information that it comes with 1.6-inch AMOLED display, SpO2 monitoring, more than 100 fitness modes, long battery life, built-in multi-system GPS, and the POCO Watch is 5 ATM waterproof, and the color variant we got is black. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our POCO Watch in black color. So here we got a user manual and the charging cable for our POCO Watch here. So inside the little box of POCO Watch you will find only the POCO Watch, the charging cable and this quick start guide. So the glue on this protective film is pretty strong. So here is our POCO Watch in black. Let's switch it on, and I will have to go through the initial setup and it's a bit time consuming process. So I will make a separate video for that in detail where I will talk about all of its features, how you can do the setup, how you can configure every single feature of the POCO Watch, and after watching it you will be able to use the device properly and get the most out of it. But here in this video I'm just going to skip that part, finish the configuration, and after that we will have a look on the POCO Watch directly. So now the setup is done and we are good to go. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality of the POCO Watch. On the front side we got a 1.6-inch display. As you can see that we got a bit of bezels at the bottom, also on the sides. But if you use a watch face with black or dark background, then it gives the impression that we got an edge-to-edge display on POCO Watch, and because of that it looks quite premium and beautiful. The edges of the display are slightly curved, once again giving a premium vibe and contributing in the overall design of the POCO Watch we got here. It is pretty lightweight with a strap. It weighs just 31 grams, so you will be able to wear it 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. Also, the silicone wristband provided is smooth and skin friendly. We got just one physical button on POCO Watch that you can use to turn on or off the device and access the menu. At the bottom we got the set of sensors, the pins to connect the charging cable. One drawback of the design of POCO Watch is that it comes with this special charging cable, and if it gets damaged or if you lose it, then you will have to buy a new one just to charge the POCO Watch, because it does not come with a micro USB or USB Type-C port for charging purpose. Using these buttons here you can easily remove the wristband from your POCO Watch and connect new ones to use with your POCO Watch. It comes with 5 ATM water resistance, so you do not need to worry about any damage to the POCO Watch if you bring it underwater. As you can see that it does not come with any speaker or microphone, and so you cannot make phone calls right from the POCO Watch, and for that you will have to use your smartphone. Talking about the display, we got a 1.6-inch AMOLED display with 320x360 pixels resolution, so the PPI you will get is 301, and because of that the display quality is quite nice. The display is bright, the colors are punchy, and the viewing angles are very nice as well. The touchscreen sensitivity is also quite good, and it comes with 4 watch faces pre-installed, and you can download and install many other watch faces using the smartphone application. I will explain this in the detailed features walkthrough video, about which I talked about in the beginning of this video. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. Talking about the sensors, the POCO Watch comes with an optical heart rate sensor, gyroscope, and we got a multi-system electronic built-in compass. We got 225 mAh battery that can last as long as 14 days on moderate usage, but I will see how good it's going to be in real life scenario, and we will talk about the battery performance in the detailed review of the POCO Watch. So once again, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when the final review video of the POCO Watch is live on this channel. You can access the widgets just by swiping on the watch face to quickly access the information or even start a workout. You can even customize these widgets based on your preference, and you can access the notification and the control center right from the watch face to quickly perform lots of actions. For example, you can turn on the DND, you can use the flashlight, access the settings, you can turn on or off the raise to wake and extend the duration for which the screen is turned on. If you press this physical key, you will go to the menu, and here you can see that it comes with a workout app under which you will find lots of physical activities and workouts. Officially, POCO provides more than 100 different workouts that you can use on POCO Watch for your workout and physical activities tracking. Under the activity, you will get information regarding all of your physical activities. We got the stats of the pedometer showing the calories burned, steps walked, and how many times you stood up after sitting idle for a while. It comes with 24/7 heart rate monitoring and provides lots of information including the average heart rate, maximum, minimum, and under which heart rate zone your heart rate was for how long. Then we got the SpO2 monitoring. Once again, it provides the information regarding the highest, lowest, and average SpO2. It comes with sleep tracking. Of course, there is no data for that right now. It also comes with stress monitoring, giving you the information that how stressed you were based on these 4 different stress level. And if you are feeling stressed, then you can use these breathing exercises based on the intensity or the time to calm yourself. And if you are a woman, then you can also monitor your monthly cycles using the POCO Watch. And then we got the weather. Using the music option, you can control the music being played on your smartphone, so you can play, pause it, you can skip between the tracks, and you can even increase, decrease the volume. Using the camera app, you can control the shutter of your smartphone camera and capture images right from the camera app, but you will have to connect it with your smartphone and do a quick setup to use this feature. And then we got the alarm, stopwatch, timer. Compass is there as well, because the POCO Watch comes with built-in electronic compass that you can use to get the information regarding the direction as well as to track your physical activities when you're performing the workout. And then here we got the notification. It's the exact same thing that you will get from the watch face. And then you can use the find phone feature to quickly find your smartphone. If it is out of your sight, you can use flashlight to brighten up the screen to get some light if you are in the dark environment. And after that, we got the settings under which you will find some options. I will talk about all of these in detail, that how you can use all of these settings, how you can use all of these features to improve your productivity and use the device properly. The POCO Watch we got here in our detailed features walkthrough video, where I will talk about all of these tips and tricks as well. So once again, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever that video is live. But at the first glance, the POCO Watch is looking quite promising budget fitness tracker, as it comes with a beautiful AMOLED display with nice screen to body ratio. It is very lightweight. It comes with 5 ATM water resistance, built-in GPS, multiple sensors with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and more than 100 workouts. So many more videos of POCO Watch are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. But thanks for watching this one, and if you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.